Alright guys, another day in paradise. Today we are here at our famous paint shop Werk96. It's one of the best painters in Stuttgart, so our car is prepared and painted here. And as you can see, our love child, our famous 996 4.1 liter. If you didn't saw the video, please check it out. Soul Drives 996, one of the best videos on the market. And today we will go inside the paint shop. You will see our preparation for the whole paint. It's a process, it's not so easy, but we need the perfect paint for our first customer. So have fun and come on in. Now we are in the paint shop, and as you can see, we have some nice neighbors here. But let's go to our chassis 001. As you can see, the current situation is everything is free inside. We are checking the paint for dents, for rust, for everything. We are cleaning the car really proper right now, that we can go for the perfect paint. You can see we will do all the small details because we have a lot of parts with rust, which you can see, or like the emblem here. It's a lot of rust here. We will clean it up and make it perfect for the paint. So there are some hidden parts that you can analyze when everything is free, and we will do every detail new and paint it that we have a new condition for all the parts here. Good morning guys, welcome back to our paint shop Werk96. And as you can see, fresh haircut for you guys. Okay, what is the standing for our car? The last 2 weeks we prepared the complete car, all the parts for the primer. Let's get over, I show you all the parts that we have right now. As you can see, all our parts, the doors, the panels are ready, prepared for the first layer today. And we have 3 steps. Number 1, primer. Number 2, the color. And number 3, the clear coat. It's so interesting to see the car coming alive. Like here, this fender being part of the process. Now all the layers coming on it. It's beautiful to be in this process here. I'm super excited how the result will be when the complete car is ready with the new color. It will be amazing. Okay guys, now some tech informations to our rims. The original 18-inch Carrera rim, 8-inch, 10-inch, and it's the lightest rim of all the 996 Carreras. The 8-inch is 9.2 kilograms. Look at this. Really easy, really easy. And then we have the 10-inch, it's 10.2 kilograms. So the standard of 2003, it was a super lightweight rim. My favorite rim on the 996 car. Guys, this is very interesting. Look at all these colors, you know, and Dino is taking out right now only the black color. Look at these different shades of black. It's like 100 different black colors and everything looks really close. So it's very specific to find the proper color for your car. Absolutely amazing. Welcome back, guys. Today is the final day of our paint job. All the work is done. All the parts, as you can see, are perfectly prepared. So we are really nervous today because now we cannot wait to see the car come alive. Let's go. So guys, Buki, our paint specialist, is right now in the paint booth. He's painting the rest of the parts, and as you can see, our shell of the car is already painted. It looks amazing, but we have, I think, 30 more hours of work with all the parts because it's not ready yet. There are some small points on the paint. They have to be polished again, so it's not over, but the first result is great, really great. So guys, the car is ready. The paint job is completely done. The guys over here did an amazing job. So much passion, so much perfection, and it looks better than new. All the parts are installed on the car, and now the car is going back to TechSpeed, to our engine specialist, and the mechanics will be done. See you there.